Two important figures of speeches. First one is onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia refers to the words which are used for producing sounds. For example, buzzing of the bees, ringing of the phone, screeching of the tires of a vehicle, right? So any word which is used for producing sound, that is called onomatopoeia. Means the words which are used for showing any kind of sound, that is onomatopoeia. Anything in general in day to day life, हमारी लाइफ में रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में बहुत सारे वर्ड्स हैं जो साउंड के लिए यूज होते हैं. टेलीफोन की रिंग है, विंड की हवा की आवाज है. एनीथिंग. आई हैव शोड यू सम एग्जांपल्स आल्सो. So anything, any word which is used for the sound, meowing of the cat or purring of the cat, hissing of a snake, just anything. That is onomatopoeia, right? Now second one. Second one is simile. Simile refers to showing comparison between two. दो चीजों में comparison के लिए क्या यूज करते हैं? Simile. The figure of speech where comparison between two similar things are shown. Like I say, she is like a rose. So when I say she is like a rose means just like rose is beautiful, similarly she is also beautiful. So we're making a comparison. Similarly, if I say he is like a tiger. So tiger is known for courageousness, fast, speed. So if I saying it, so the person who I am talking about is as courageous as a tiger is. तो जब हम किसी की तुलना करते हैं, ठीक है, in any way, ठीक है. सो हिंदी में बहुत सारे गाने हैं. चांद सी महबूबा हो मेरी कब, ठीक है. तो हिंदी में बहुत सारे सॉन्ग्स हैं. चांद सी महबूबा, तो चांद सी महबूबा. तो comparison with the moon is done. So we have umpteen number of examples where comparison is made. So these were the two figures of speeches of the day. Keep coming for more.